Do you think a Canadian pardon is your key to entering the United States? In this video, I'm going to clear up common myths about Canadian pardons and explain why a US entry waiver might still be required. I'm Dan Joffe, US Waiver Lawyer. If you're looking for expert advice on traveling to the United States without stress, schedule a call with me using the link below. Let's get started. Let's start by understanding what a pardon, now called a record suspension, entails. Issued by the Parole Board of Canada, a pardon leads to removing your criminal record from the criminal records database. Essentially, your record becomes invisible within Canada. Now, there are four key reasons why you would want to get a pardon in Canada. First are employment opportunities. A clean record can boost your career prospects. Second is volunteer work, where a clean background is often mandatory. The third is for immigration purposes. And fourth is personal peace of mind. Hiding your criminal record may, for some people, lift a significant psychological burden. Now, you may have noticed that I did not mention U.S. travel as one of the reasons to get a pardon. That's because the U.S. Customs and Border Protection does not recognize Canadian pardons. Certain convictions, specifically those classified as crimes involving moral turpitude, render you criminally inadmissible to enter the United States. In these cases, your only legal way to travel to the United States is to get a U.S. entry waiver. Crimes involving moral turpitude is a complex area of the law. A single DUI, for example, might not fall under this category. If you're unsure about your situation, reach out to schedule a confidential call with me. While a pardon doesn't directly impact your ability to travel to the United States, it does play a role in your U.S. entry waiver application, which is Form I-192. When applying for a U.S. entry waiver, the Admissibility Review Office, which is part of the CBP, will evaluate your application. A record suspension from Canada shows that the Canadian government has trust in your reformed character. While having a pardon does not guarantee you will get a U.S. entry waiver, it does have a positive influence on your application. Success in getting your U.S. entry waiver approved relies on presenting a compelling, strong legal argument in line with U.S. immigration law and court precedents like the Harenka case. Our law firm specializes in crafting these arguments, maximizing your chances of success, and getting you to travel to the United States without any stress. If you need expert help with your U.S. waiver application, reach out to schedule a free confidential call with me.